It's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. When your job calls for muscle, you need a truck built to over-deliver. And you have it in this Silverado. Drive without worry while the powerful V8 engine, partnered with trailer sway control, make hauling the most challenging loads a breeze. The fully boxed frame is reinforced with 9 crossmembers, making it perfect for back-breaking cargo. There's no reason to take off your gloves with an interior that features large buttons and knobs centrally located for easy access. Plus, USB outlets keep your business powered throughout the day. And if needed, front recovery hooks are there to help in a jam. It's ready to handle the stress of your day, and then some. Check out the Silverado 2500 HD today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.